Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to compete Yotpo versus Klaviyo. Yotpo is primarily focused on user-generated content UGC, such as customer reviews, ratings, and testimonial. It aims to help brands collect and showcase authentic feedback to build trust and drive conversion. Yotpo enables business to easily collect, manage, and display customer reviews on their websites and products page. The platform allows brands to leverage customer-generated photos and videos, enhancing marketing efforts and showcasing real customer experience. Additionally, Yotpo includes built-in loyalty and referral programs, encouraging repeat purchases and customer retention. Businesses can also create a Quanda section for customers to ask questions about products, fostering engagements and providing valuable information. Yotpo offers analytics tools to track the performance of reviews and UGC, providing insights into customer sentiment and engagement. Klaviyo, on the other hand, Klaviyo is an advanced email and SMS marketing platform designed to help businesses increase customer engagement and drive sales through targeted marketing campaigns. With Klaviyo, users can set up automated email workflows triggered by customer behavior, such as welcome series, abandoned cart, reminders, and post-purchase follow-ups. Klaviyo allows for highly targeted audience segmentation based on metrics like purchase history, browsing behavior, and engagement levels, enabling personalized messaging. Klaviyo integrates seamlessly with the various e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and analytics tools, making it a versatile choice for data-driven marketing strategies. The platform provides in-depth reporting and analytics, offering insights into campaign performance, customer behavior, and overall marketing effectiveness. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.